Hey guys, what's up? It's me Satyam, and it's been a while since I've posted a video. Uh, Actually, I was busy in some college stuff as this was my last year, so project and stuff. Okay, so as my exams are over, we are coming with some more crazy stuff, so stay tuned. So let's talk about this video. This video I've made to demonstrate this Domino 2D simulator which I've made and how you can contribute to this project and have fun. So let's get started. Uh, so this is a Domino 2D simulator and it have different modes. So let's try the modes and I'll tell you at the end that how you can contribute to this project and make different modes. So this mode is named as no friction. So this mode have no friction and the no friction as the name suggests the no friction environment is simulated here. So none of the objects have friction. So let's try it out and you can just look at it. The ball never stops because it don't have friction, right? Look at it. Everything just slides. Let's try once again. Let's try it. Okay, calm down. Let's go. Look at it. The beauty. Sorry. Okay, so here we are, and this is our no friction simulation. Uh, let's move to the another one. So okay, it looks nice. Okay, so the second mode is bulky, and by bulky I mean really bulky heavy stuff. So in the second mode the ball and the stuff will be bulky as name suggests. Here we are, everything grows, and this simulation has a friction. So as you can see that as I have dropped the ball and slowly everything goes. Let's try it here. So if I just tell it, okay, so it can hold the ball, but if I'll do it with a bit higher and it goes. It's fun. So I've made this using Zim and Physics um, and the Box2D model, but you don't have to learn this stuff to make the modes. It's just a JSON creativity. Okay, what's next? The next mode is custom. So in this custom mode, you can do the changes whatever you want. So this is the custom mode. This has friction and this has everything you can see. Okay, so in this custom mode you can customize almost everything, and now I'll tell you that how you can create your own mode and uh, contribute to this project will be on GitHub. I'll put the link in the video description, and let's go. So the first thing I want to do is increase the size of the ball. So what you have to do is open this project and go to this default case, and these are some properties to make your own custom simulation. So the block count, so block count means count of this, so let's make it 5. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. Wait a minute, okay, it's done. So 5, perfect. 5, let's make it 7. So the block size is 7, right? What's next? Gravity. Gravity pull can be changed as it's 20. Let's make it 80 and you'll feel the changes. Oopsie, much more gravity. Let's make it 5. Okay, smoothie. Looks nice. What's next? Base properties. So height of this base, you can set it to like 400 is nice, and it will bounce back from the top. Okay, wait a minute. Bounce back from the top. So okay. What's next? Ball properties. The properties of this ball. So let's move it back to 300. No? Okay. Gravity is, let's make it 20. Fine. Save it. What happened? Okay. Ball properties, radius is 20, so you can increase the radius. I'll definitely do that. I'll do that to 30. F5. Okay, it's bigger. Friction, you can decrease. Restitution means the bounciness of the ball, and by bounciness I mean actual how much this ball bounce. So you can see that this ball bounce a lot as I have increased the bounciness of this ball. And angular momentum of this ball, like how much this ball should rotate and all. Density of this ball, let's make it heavy. It's actually related to mass, as if you are the science student you'll know that. Okay, nice. Bam. What? This ball is much heavy. This ball is much heavy. Bam. Wait a minute. Let's make it back to its original state. Okay, this is fine. What's next? Block properties. The properties of these blocks. So you can increase the width. I'll make it to 20. You can increase the height. I'll make it to 160. And let's see. Okay, I'm not that. Okay, let's decrease the width, but make the height same. Gap means the distance between two consecutive blocks. So you can make it 100. And here we go. Let's increase the restitution, as you know, bounciness. Okay, so these blocks don't have any bounciness, so you can see it's false and it's false. It doesn't bounce back like our ball. Okay, like this. So let's keep the density same. This is the angular friction. So this is the friction of everything. And okay, let's see how it works. Nice. Let's decrease the gap and increase the width and increase the block count to 12. Let's see. Okay, 12 is okay, perfect. And let's change this thing too. So I want to move this to this. So here is a block, this is a block, and these three properties do that. So block bottom width, the width of this block, which I want to make smaller to the half. Let's make it 100 and reload, and here we go. Everything just slides to the left. Now let's slide it a bit more. So the height of this bottom block, that doesn't affecting right now, and the slope of the ball. So let's make it 300. So the slope will be much like this. Now let me do something. 99. Let's see. So okay, fine. So as you are looking at it works automatically. I don't have to pick the ball anymore. So let's name this mode as auto. Auto mode, you have to add this your mode by naming comma to this, and just copy the default one from here. Okay, not cut it, just copy it. You can make your own case named auto, and then just paste it. So just paste it and remove the brackets, make it correct, and that's it. You can submit your code for the review, and I'll definitely make it public. So this is nice, as you can see, a custom mode instead of custom. If we write it auto mode, you can give your name to the mode, Rahul's mode or anything. Okay, so this works automatically. This is fine. Let's look at the no friction mode anyway, because it is fun to watch the no friction, right? Let's in no friction mode, let me increase the bounciness. That would make sense. Nothing. And awesome, nothing falls. Okay, okay, something just fall. Nice. So thank you guys for watching, and I'm waiting for you to create some modes for it. Uh, as always, the link for the GitHub of this project will be in this description of this video. I'm having a fun time playing with this. Okay, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.